Be ready, start. To provide the internet services under the MOU to CD, the applicant has availed internet bandwidth and connectivity from Airtel and Tata Communications Stop. The applicant employs substantial overheads to run its operations and uses the internet leased line within bracket ILL and links provided by major telcos such as Airtel and Tata Communications, for which it pays charges for internet and connectivity services. Stop para. Owing to the fact that novation / transfer of links availed by the corporate debtor in the name of the operational creditor and changing the name of the CD to the OC in customers' records would take a considerable amount of time, and in order to ease out the teething problems faced by all, the parties executed an addendum dated July 15, 2021 bracket start Annexure 3 at page 53 to 55 of the application bracket close bracket start hereinafter referred to as addendum bracket close to the MOU dated 19/6/2021, whereby clauses 3.2 and 3.2 were inserted into the MOU whilst the rest of the MOU remained unchanged. Stop para. That in accordance with the contractual terms and conditions under the MOU dated 19/6/2021 and the addendum dated 15/7/2021, it was agreed that until the novation of links takes place in the name of the applicant OC and the customer records are changed to the OC's name, and CD would keep availing bandwidth and connectivity from telecom companies like Airtel, Tata Communications, and the amount liable to be paid for such usage shall be reimbursed by the OC on cost plus GST basis. Stop. The charges were to be paid in the following manner. Stop para. Amounts payable by CD to OC. As a back-to-back billing system, the applicant OC was to raise an invoice on the respondent CD for the same value as the CD has raised on its customers, and all such amounts collected by the CD from customers would be deposited with the OC in its bank account on back-to-back basis. Stop. It was mandatory for corporate debtor to book 100% of revenue from subscribers by billing the subscribers in the name of the OC directly on prepaid basis, and to ensure that all payments are cleared and deposited in OC's bank account within maximum 2 working days, and to collect subscription amount. Stop. In the event the credit is extended, it was agreed that it will be adjusted from WPISPL as commission. Stop. Amount payable by the OC to the CD. It was agreed as per clause 3.2J of the addendum to the MOU dated 15/7/2021 that the applicant would reimburse the CD towards amounts payable to telecom companies on account of services availed by CD. Stop. Commission payable by OC to CD as a share of the total collections / billing for the applicant on back-to-back basis. The OC had agreed to pay commission of rupees 35 lakhs per month to the CD provided actual monthly collections including GST from subscribers stop over.